Does your company need a professional, consistent email signature for every team member? Well, this free tool from Keywords Everywhere creates one in seconds, ready to paste into Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. Now, this free tool is called the Email Signature Generator, and it's totally free to use. You don't even need a Keywords Everywhere account. Also, nothing is saved. You don't need to log in. This is a completely browser-based tool, and I'll include a link to this in the description below. Now, all you need to do to create your own email signature for you or the rest of your team is to simply fill out this form. You can start by putting your full name, your title, where you work, your direct phone line, email, your company's website, and there's also links for a handful of social media platforms. Now, as you fill out this form here, you could see the live preview. And what's nice is you can click on Load Sample to have it automatically fill out this top form so you could view the live preview down here. And there's 3 styles you can choose from. Right now we have the accent bar, there's also the accent name, and lastly there is the minimal style. I personally like the accent name style. Also, by the way, you could upload your own portrait photo or your company logo. And what you see here is the rounded style of that photo. You could also change it to square if you'd like as well. So within just a few seconds, you have a professional looking email signature. You can then copy and paste onto Gmail, Outlook, or Apple Mail. What's also nice is there is no Keywords Everywhere branding or anything like that. It's completely your own. And having a professional looking email signature helps with tons of things. So you'll definitely want to use this tool if your company suffers from inconsistent branding. Maybe your account manager might have their own email signature, your salesperson, the founder, so on and so forth. They all might have their own signature, but having this tool will allow you to create an email signature that has the exact format, colors, logo, and contact details, so on and so forth. Having a professional email signature also improves your credibility as well. So whenever you are doing outreach, sending out reports to your clients, when they open your email and see a professional email signature like this, you'll just look more established and trustworthy. So feel free to try it out right now. Now, the email signature generator is just one of dozens and dozens of other free tools from Keywords Everywhere, and I'll include a link to this page in the description below as well. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.